Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and thank you all very much for coming here today. My name is Cici Sutiani, and I am from Siliwangi University. In today's presentation, I'd like to show you about my research. My research is about the difficulties that facing the student when they speak in English and the solution. Let me begin by explain how I got the data. Secondly, I want to show you about the result, that is the student difficulties in speaking English, and the last, how students solve their problem. Now let's move on to the first topic, that is how I got the data. If you have a look at this slide, you can see that I started with the interview. I've been interviewed some of the students at mathematics department as an online using video conference. I asked them with the exact same question, for example, where they had experience in speaking English, what their difficulties, and how they can solve the problem and extract that relate to my research. After that, I transcribed the conversation. I wrote the conversation between me and the interviews based on what they said without any fixed. And then I highlighted the word that I think it's the main answer to had focus on it. And the last, from the keyword or the word that I've been highlighted before, then I made a chart to see the result. And here is the first chart. This is the mathematics students' difficulties in speaking English. As you can see that 37% said that they had the pronunciation problem. Both of memorize and grammar problems had the same percentage, that is 18%, and each of vocabulary, tenses, and nervous problems show 9% percentage. And the next chart is the mathematics student solution. This is how mathematics students solve their problem. Half of them said that they solved the problem by practice and studied. 33% said that they memorized the script, and the rest, 17%, said that they tried for the second time when they were in the storytelling competition or in the English speaking exam. So I can conclude that the student at mathematics department had their own difficulties in speaking English and so many variative solutions that they did to solve the problem. But most of them had pronunciation problem and most of their solution was by practice and studied. I think that's enough about my presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.